I will show you how to get the best flavors of your life there, with a pinch of pirate flair. Let's dive into Genoa's tasty treasures. Welcome aboard the Sea Serpent. After battling Kraken, okay, maybe just some feisty seagulls, and following the stars, we've anchored in the magnificent port of Genoa. Feast your eyes on them colourful buildings clinging to the hillside like barnacles on a hull. And smell that air. It's thick with promises of culinary treasures. Genoa's food is legendary, forged by the sea and sun-drenched hills. From focaccia glistening with olive oil to pesto-laden pasta that would make even the saltiest sea dog sing. And the seafood, fresh from the Ligurian sea, prepared with secrets passed down through generations. Fear not, my hungry crew. Your Captain Cook is on a mission to chart these culinary waters, learn the ancient recipes, and unlock Genoa's delicious secrets. We'll explore markets, peek into kitchens, and master the art of these Ligurian delights. So, batten down the hatches, sharpen your knives, and prepare your taste buds for an adventure. Stay tuned, me hearties. Captain Cook out.